Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you, my friend. Please subscribe my channel. My teach SEO Pro total guideline of search engine optimization. Total important point and important topics. My lecture, my class, and my videos and my tutorial presentation. My tutorial. SEO search engine optimization tricks and method. Very important point, the search engine optimization, SEO tricks and method. The two method, white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Very important point, the white hat SEO and black hat SEO. The technique, white hat SEO, the technique that search engine recover as a part of good design. Black hat SEO, techniques that search engine do not approve and attach to minimize that effect of these techniques are also known as a spam indexing. White hat SEO. White hat SEO, search engine optimization. As a search engine optimization tricks is considered as a white hat if it has the following picture. It conforms to the search engine guidelines. It does not involve in any deactive depression. It is ensured that the contain a search engine index and a sub-squared ranked it the same content user will see. It is ensured that web page content should have been created for the user and not just for the search engine. Increase good quality of the web page. It ensure able to use content on the web page. Always follow a white hat SEO tricks and do not try to fool your site visitor. Be honest and you will definitely get something more. The white hat SEO, the best SEO, search engine optimization. Any search engine, the best result as a good practice, and your website, web page, and every person, the highly effective and high quality and the best SEO search engine optimization practice must be people use white hat SEO. It is the best toy, the SEO service. White hat SEO service. Search engine optimization is the effective and good and best service, white hat SEO. Black hat or spam indexing. The bad type, black hat or spam indexing. And search engine optimization tricks is convert to black hat or spamming indexing if you had to follow picture. Attaching ranking improvement that are disproved by the search engine, Android and invoice deep. The recording uses from a page that is the blue for search engine to ones that in more hang friendly. Recording used to a page that was different for the page that search engine record. Save on version of page and search engine spread board and another version to hang visitor that is called cookies SEO tricks. Using hidden to or invalid tags and the page background cool using teen font size headline and within HTML code certain sectors. Reporting keyword is a meta tags and use keyword that are unable to use website content in the call method seconds. The calculate placement of keyword within a page to reach the keyword contain variety and destiny of the page. This is called keyword stuffing. Create low quality web page to contain very little content but are inside sharper stepper with very simple keyword and fresher. Those pages are called dry by great web page. Marry website by hosting multiple website, all the multiple small connect but using different URLs. Create a wrong copy of popular website which shows contains similar to this organical to web Carol, but record web safer to understand the magical website. This is the call page hijacking. Always stay away for any the hope black hat tricks to improve the rank to your site. Search engine are smart energy of defense all the approved potent your site and unlimited you are not going to grade anything. Friends, very important tricks, the two way, the search engine optimization, the right way and wrong way. I can accept, I can request, I can suggest, I can propose must be right way search engine use. The white hat SEO, the must be perfect white hat search engine optimization is a best technique and your success, your rank, your website, your web page, your videos, your blogs, etc. etc. But wrong way, the black hat SEO is not good and the but you are the high definition and spamming indexing Google must be Google lot of software uses hummingbird penguin panda lot of software the inquiry this your site one day 1 weeks or 2 weeks must be damaged your website and black hat SEO uses but you are perfect and best long time service and long time earn money your site your web page your e-commerce the best toy white hat SEO white hat search engine uses your techniques. I can repeat in the white hat SEO, white hat search engine optimization or white hat SEO. As search engine optimization technique ensure and white hat if you the following factors. In conform the search engine guidelines. Any freelancer, any person, any worker, any work from home, work from job, you must be ideal and best toy and right toy to proper guideline, best guideline, white hat SEO, white hat search engine optimization, use your website, your web page, blog, etc. etc. Uh, it does not invalue and any description. It ensures that contains search engine indexing and subscribe rank to the same others use and also. Black hat SEO not good right way and bad way. The black hat SEO not uses your working and your web page website. Thank you. Best of luck. The very important point, the search engine optimization techniques or method, two method, white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Thank you. Best of luck.